10 मार्चाक विधानसभा वेंचणुकेत कोण येतलो कोण पडटलो हाचेर गोंयच्या जनतेचेर लक्ष लागून रावला. ह्या फाटभुंयेर राज्यपाल PS श्रीधरन पिल्लयान गोंयची राजकीय स्थिती आनी लोकशायेची उर्बेचेर उलोवप केलें.
मतदार आसूं वा उमेदवार, गोंयची जनता पाशेस काडून 10 तारखेच्या निकालाची वाट पळयतात. गोंयचे राजकीय वातावरण थंड जाल्ल्यान राज्यपाल पिल्लयान व्हिडिओ मेसेजा वरवीं लोकांक संदेश दिला. पयलींच्या सरकारांतले आनी आतांच्या सरकारांतल्या भ्रष्टाचाराचेर तो उलयलो. आयकात ताका.
I had occasion to give that posting because in the morning I had occasion to see in one English newspaper that two young ladies carrying their totally disabled mother for the purpose of casting a vote to the polling station through the public road. So that shows the strength of our democracy, how they are dedicated to the cause of democracy. So that is strengthening part of the. And on the same paper, I had occasion to see another picture also. That picture shows that the former Bihar Chief Minister, he was convicted by competent trial court on the 5th time in corruption case. That aspect, all the 5 court judgment shows that plundering of public money. Then I immediately flashed in my mind and brain. About 40 years back, I was also, as a student leader, during emergency in 1975-77, I was in charge of JP Movement's students wing while I was a law college student. Then I also participated in the agitation against emergency and corruption. At that time, one of the star leaders of JP Movement in Bihar was Lalu Prasad Yadav. And in 1976, even he went to naming his daughter as Misa Bharati Kumari, Misa Bharati or Misa Kumari. And that, you see, on that aspect, he was arrested by the then government. So a champion of corruption, anti-corruption movement, anti-corruption. So now he is convicted in 5 courts, and in this he is in 70s, spending his time in jail mostly. So that is a thought-provoking thing in my mind. So when people elected him, give the responsibility, what happened in Bihar is a lesson to be studied by people who are preferring and interested in democracy. So 2 phases of democracy. That is not a political comment at all. As a governor, I am not expected to give any political comment. So the strength of the democracy, strengthening democracy, our system. We are the largest democracy in the world. And that is why these 2 things, photographs, I reproduce with the permission of that press people. And my comment also, not in a political way, but in my view as a lover of democracy, democracy is the last word as far as our political system is concerned. And that is why for enlightening the public, I have given it. And certain comments came, how the governor is dealing with the politics. I am not dealing with politics. It is the basic duty of every citizen, even governor or maybe, to enlighten the public on the basic things of our democracy. If democracy is there, we faced it in 1975-77. If no democracy is there, what will happen to our country? So because of that, I have given that. There is no oblique motive in it, but people will think about all these things.
Bureau Report, Goa 365.